Today we're here at an installation of a brand new art piece. This particular art piece was designed and produced by Liz Akamatsu.
I love stars, so I call this piece Dog Star because Dog Star is one of the brightest stars in our constellation. So it appears to be one large star, but actually if you look at it, it's two small stars spinning in opposite directions. So in my imagination, this is sort of an image of that, of cars circling the roundabout, just like the stars do. I love having art in a roundabout because it actually forces the viewer to look at the art the way sculpture should be seen, in the round.
Selection of art locations is done generally by the Parks and Recreation Department in conjunction with the Public Art Committee. Sometimes it's just a bare patch at an intersection like we have here at the Bonnie Brae roundabout. Other times it'll be in a park or other location where people generally walk through all the time. The Public Art Committee identifies the funds that will go towards that piece, the hotel occupancy tax, grants, and from private donations. The artist call goes out inside our community and outside, and so people from all over the country literally have applied. They approve it, and then it goes to City Council for final approval, and then Parks and Recreation Department, we've helped put it in the ground for them. People sometimes ask, what is the value of public art? Well, first of all, it's a cultural thing. It's a part of the city's livability and community standard. And the second is social. People talk about public art. Sometimes it's controversial, sometimes people love it or hate it, but it does engage people in conversation. And the third, it's an economic driver. It does bring people to the city to view those different art pieces. And as we install more and more public art, people will be able to see that throughout the city.